Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Friends, today I am here to discuss a particular topic about time management. Friends, time management is very important for everyone, not for a student, for everyone. If you want to do anything on time, so we will have to manage our time. If we leave something for later, it remains pending. If we want to finish our work on time, so we will have to make a timetable and we will have to do all the work according to the timetable. In the same way, if you are going to learn English, you will have to make a timetable too, because if you don't make a timetable, so you will not manage your work according to your timetable and your practice according to your timetable. So check your level, find out on which level you are. If you are a beginner, so you need a lots of practice to do. But if you are an intermediate level, so you need minimum 2 hours daily. It means if you want to do practice, so you should practice at least 2 hours regular every day. Split it into two parts. The first hour you should give for your reading and writing practice, and the second 1 hour you should give for your speaking and listening practice. But how do you do it at home? So I am giving you a tip. Take a random topic, write it down on your notebook. Whatever you have written on your notebook, read it 2 or 3 times, even 4 times. And take your phone, start the sound recorder, and speak out all the things you have written on your notebook. After recording it, listen your recorded voice and find out the mistakes you have made throughout the speech. Then try to improve them for the next time. And I assure you, friend, if you are doing this, you will see the result. Doing this, if you will get improved very soon, you will get improved rapidly. So I hope it will help you. If you find my videos helpful, so please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.